In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Evernote app. We'll walk through the process on a Windows PC using the Microsoft Store, and I'll share a few quick tips to make everything smooth and straightforward. By the end, you'll have Evernote ready to open and use. First, make sure you're connected to the internet and that the Microsoft Store is available on your PC. If the store asks you to sign in with your Microsoft account, that's normal. You can follow the on-screen prompts. Having Windows up to date can also help avoid any unexpected errors. Start by clicking the Start menu on your PC. You'll find the Start button at the bottom left of your screen, or you can press the Windows key on your keyboard. If you don't see the Microsoft Store right away, just start typing Microsoft Store in the Start menu and select it when it appears. Open the Microsoft Store and give it a moment to load. At the top of the Store window, click into the search bar. This is where you'll look up apps by name. Type Evernote and press Enter. Be sure to spell it correctly to get the best results. From the results, select the official Evernote app. You'll recognize it by the familiar green elephant logo and the developer listed as Evernote Corporation. Take a second to glance at the app's description and ratings to confirm you're choosing the legitimate Windows app, not a similarly named alternative. On the app page, click Get or Install. You might see Get First, which then changes to Install. If you've installed Evernote before on this account, it may show Install or Install on my devices right away. If the store prompts you to sign in or confirm your device, go ahead and follow those steps. Now, wait for the download and installation to finish. You'll see a progress indicator right on the Install button or near the top right corner of the store. The speed depends on your internet connection, so just keep the store open while it completes. When it's done, the button will change to Open, letting you know the app is ready. At this point, you can click Open to launch Evernote immediately, or close the store and find Evernote later from the Start menu by typing Evernote. If you ever see a message saying the app is already installed, simply search for it in the Start menu. And if the download fails, check your connection and try again, or restart the Microsoft Store and repeat the search. That's it. Evernote is now installed and ready to go. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying organized with your new app.